Hey there, health warriors! Welcome back to Diet and Exercise. Are you tired of struggling to lose weight and keep it off? Do you feel like you've tried every diet under the sun, only to end up right where you started? If so, then a low-carb diet might be just what you need to finally achieve your weight loss goals. Low-carb diets have been gaining a lot of attention in recent years, and for good reason. They've been shown to be highly effective for rapid fat loss, improved metabolic health, and even the prevention and management of chronic diseases. In this video, we'll dive deep into the science behind low-carb diets and explore how they can help you lose fat fast and improve your overall health. The basics of low-carb diets. At their core, low-carb diets work by reducing your intake of carbohydrates, which are the primary macronutrients that your body uses for energy. When you consume fewer carbs, your body is forced to switch to burning fat for fuel, a process known as ketosis. This can lead to rapid fat loss as your body taps into its stored fat reserves for energy. But the benefits of low-carb diets go far beyond just weight loss. By reducing your intake of carbs, you can also improve your insulin sensitivity, lower your risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and heart disease, and even experience better cognitive function and mood. The powerful effects of low-carb diets on fat loss. One of the primary reasons why low-carb diets are so effective for fat loss is that they help to regulate your appetite and reduce your overall calorie intake. When you consume fewer carbs, your body produces less insulin, which is a hormone that promotes fat storage. This, in turn, can help to reduce your hunger levels and make it easier to stick to a calorie-controlled diet. Additionally, low-carb diets have been shown to boost your metabolism, which means that your body burns more calories throughout the day. This is because your body has to work harder to metabolize fat and protein for energy compared to carbohydrates. Improved insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. Another key benefit of low-carb diets is their ability to improve insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. Insulin is a hormone that plays a crucial role in regulating your blood sugar levels and managing your body's energy metabolism. When you eat a diet that is high in carbs, your body produces large amounts of insulin to help regulate your blood sugar. Over time, this can lead to insulin resistance, which is a precursor to type 2 diabetes. By reducing your carb intake, you can improve your insulin sensitivity and lower your risk of developing chronic metabolic diseases. The role of protein and fats in low-carb diets. While reducing your carb intake is the primary focus of a low-carb diet, it's also important to pay attention to your protein intake. Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a crucial role in maintaining muscle mass, supporting immune function, and promoting satiety. When following a low-carb diet, it's important to ensure that you're getting enough protein to support your body's needs. This can help to prevent muscle loss, which can occur when you're in a calorie deficit, and can also help to keep you feeling full and satisfied throughout the day. In addition to protein, healthy fats are also an important part of a low-carb diet. Fats are a concentrated source of energy, and they also play a crucial role in supporting various bodily functions, such as hormone production, brain health, and immune function. When following a low-carb diet, it's important to focus on incorporating healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats can help to support overall health and well-being, while also contributing to the feeling of fullness and satisfaction that is often associated with low-carb diets. Hormone optimization magic. Here's where it gets really interesting. Low-carb diets have a powerful effect on your hormonal balance. By reducing insulin spikes, you create an environment where fat-burning hormones can thrive. This hormonal optimization helps regulate appetite, supports healthy thyroid function, and balances stress hormones. The result? Better sleep, improved mood, and more efficient fat burning. It's like fine-tuning your body's internal orchestra for optimal performance. Athletic performance enhancement. Contrary to what you might have heard, low-carb diets can actually improve your athletic performance. Once adapted, your body becomes incredibly efficient at using fat for fuel during workouts. This means better endurance, sustained energy levels, and improved recovery time. Many athletes report breaking through performance plateaus and achieving new personal bests. This stable energy levels means no more mid-workout bonking or energy crashes. The gut health connection. Your gut health transforms from a low-carb diet. By eliminating processed carbs and sugars, you create an environment where healthy gut bacteria can flourish. This improved gut health leads to better nutrient absorption, stronger immune function, and reduced inflammation throughout your body. Many people report improved digestion, less blood, and fewer digestive issues. Healthy guts are also linked to better mental health and reduced risk of autoimmune conditions. Creating substantial success. The key to long-term success with low-carb eating lies in understanding and implementing it as a sustainable lifestyle rather than a temporary diet. This approach involves creating habits and patterns that can be maintained indefinitely, while still enjoying a satisfying and varied diet. The focus shifts from restriction to optimization as you learn to choose foods that support your health and performance goals. The improved appetite regulation makes it easier to maintain healthy eating patterns without feeling deprived or constantly hungry. The stable energy levels and improved mood make it easier to stay active and engaged in life, supporting better overall health outcomes. The visible improvements in body composition and health markers provide ongoing motivation to maintain this way of eating. Additionally, the reduced inflammation and improved hormone balance create a positive feedback loop, making it easier to maintain healthy habits as you feel better both physically and mentally. The sustainable nature of this approach means you can continue to enjoy its benefits while still maintaining a flexible and enjoyable relationship with food. The brain-body connection. The impact of low-carb eating on brain function represents one of its most remarkable yet often overlooked benefits. When your brain adapts to using ketones for fuel instead of glucose, it experiences a level of clarity and cognitive function that many describe as transformative. This enhanced mental state isn't just about feeling more alert, it represents a fundamental improvement in brain health and function. The stable energy supply to your brain cells helps protect against neurodegenerative conditions and supports optimal cognitive performance throughout the day. The reduced inflammation associated with low-carb eating also provides neuroprotective benefits, potentially lowering the risk of conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Furthermore, the improved insulin sensitivity affects brain function by enhancing neurotransmitter production and regulation, leading to better mood stability and reduced anxiety. The brain's enhanced energy efficiency also results in better focus, improved memory retention, and increased mental endurance. This cognitive optimization extends to improved sleep quality, as the balanced blood sugar levels help regulate your natural sleep-wake cycle, further supporting both mental and physical recovery. And there you have it, health warriors! You now understand the incredible power of low-carb eating from transforming your body and health. Remember, this journey is about more than just losing weight. It's about optimizing your entire body for better health, performance, and longevity. If you found value in this video, smash that like button and share it with someone who needs this information. Drop your questions and experiences in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more content that will help you on your health journey.